Good morning. My video today is going to show you how I make potato chips. It's just going to be a short video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do then is to very thinly slice the potatoes. You can do it with a knife, or I use a mandolin. Make sure you use the protectors so that you don't cut your fingers. I know from experience that doesn't feel good. So cutting them very thinly, and then put them into some ice water until you get them all sliced. Be sure, and then pat them dry. We're going to use grapeseed oil to fry them so that we stay healthy. You can use whatever you want, and then fry them until they're nice and crispy and kind of golden brown. Ooh, makes me hungry just looking. The fryer I have is old. It's like over 20 years old, and I've only just begun using it. After they're done, lay them out on paper towels to kind of get the oil off, and lightly salt them. And then just, eat is the next thing that you do. Eat and enjoy. Give Lay's a run for their money. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I think I told you that at the beginning too, but do it. Merry Christmas, if I don't forget to tell you sooner.